In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up taxes in Zoho Books. This is a straightforward process that will streamline your accounting and ensure compliance with tax regulations. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button and go ahead and click it. This will take you to the login screen where you can enter your credentials and access your Zoho Books dashboard. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to this platform. Next, you'll want to locate the Settings option, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that to start configuring your tax settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Taxes and Compliance section. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage your taxes. Here you'll find a subsection simply labelled Taxes. This is where you'll handle the nitty-gritty details of setting up taxes specific to your needs. At this point you should see an option to create a new tax. Click New Tax to begin adding a tax rate. This is a crucial step where you'll define the tax name, rate specifics, and any other pertinent details. Be sure to input accurate information reflective of the tax regulations applicable to your business operations. Once you've finished adding your new tax, head back to the dashboard by navigating back to the home section of Zoho Books. It's important to ensure everything is correctly set up and functioning as expected, and the dashboard offers a great overview of your finances. From the dashboard, you might want to check out the Sales section to see how the taxes are applied to your transactions. Click on Sales and review how the tax settings are reflected in your sales documents. Similarly, click on Purchases to see tax applications on your expenditure. Additionally, take a moment to navigate to the Vendors section by clicking on it from the main menu. This area allows you to manage your business partners and ensure all tax-related settings are consistent across your accounts. Finally, if you need to add a new vendor, simply click on the New button where you can input all the vendor details while ensuring that tax settings are properly associated with this vendor. That wraps up our session on setting up taxes in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your business remains tax compliant and manage your transactions with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.